You're watching Theme Park Worldwide, but we're here at Movieland Park in Italy. And we're on the Hollywood Tower just here.
We are.
So this is an Intamin Drop Tower with a difference because we're going up vertically and then we're actually going to come down vertically and then end up horizontally. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hey, so we're starting up slowly and we'll speed up, climbing up. Hey. So you can see 4 riders, each of these vehicles. You're going to end up on your back, Charlotte.
Oh no.
Literally, you're going to be on your back when we get down to the bottom. Look at the view. Oh, we're up here at the top now. So the left has actually dropped. It's like a knockoff Tower of Terror. Listen to the music. Oh. We're going forward. Are you ready, Charlotte? It clunks a bit this does. Let us drop, and then we drop. Wow, that is so intense, that is. Oh, crazy. We're on our backs, Charlotte. We're on our backs, and then we come forward, and whoa! And drop on a chain. That is crazy. That's the Hollywood Tower. I nearly said Tower of Terror. Hollywood Tower at Movieland Park. Get out there and keep on riding. See you in the next video. Oh, blimey.